In a distant land, on the edge of a quiet village, lived Yuji, a master potter. Yuji was the most skilled potter in the village, and his works were known for their excellent craftsmanship and aesthetic beauty. However, Yuji's mastery was not limited to just making pottery. He also reflected his inner peace and serenity in his ceramics. One day, Takeshi, a young apprentice in the village, came to Yuji and told him that he wanted to learn how to make pottery from him. Yuji saw Takeshi's determination and willingness and decided to teach him how to make pottery. At first, Takeshi carefully followed his master's instructions and quickly progressed in making pottery. However, one day one of Takeshi's hands slipped, and a pottery he was about to complete was smashed. Takeshi showed the broken urn to Yuji with deep sadness. Yuji noticed the disappointment on Takeshi's face and approached him calmly. Broken urns remind us that perfection can be found even in imperfections, he said. Broken urns can gain an aesthetic value even by being repaired. It is the same in life. Breakdowns make us stronger and more beautiful. Takeshi felt as if he understood his master's words and thought quietly for a moment. Then, he looked at Yuji with a grateful smile and started repairing the urn. As time passed, Takeshi learned more and more from his master and became adept at making pottery. However, his greatest learning was not related to the excellent craftsmanship that Yuji gave him. His greatest learning was that even broken pottery could be made beautiful and gain value by being repaired. One day, a traveler who came to their village saw an urn that Takeshi was repairing and admired its beauty. The traveler told Takeshi that he wanted to buy this urn. Takeshi explained the aesthetic value and meaning of the urn, and the traveler took the urn to his house. This incident quickly spread through the village, and Takeshi's skill and wisdom began to be appreciated by everyone. Takeshi showed the beauty that lies beneath every broken urn and taught the village people that perfection can be found even in imperfections. Years later, Takeshi now had his own workshop and was teaching his own students how to make pottery. He told them, as Yuji had taught him, that even broken pottery is valuable and perfection can be found even in imperfections. This story became a legacy that Takeshi passed on to his students, and the tradition of pottery in the village continued not with the pursuit of perfection, but by accepting flaws and beautifying them. And so, Takeshi's pottery tradition was founded on accepting flaws and making them worthwhile, rather than looking for perfection. Every broken pot became a teaching, and every repaired pot became a symbol of victory. If you also found something of yourself in this story, don't forget to subscribe and open notifications for more.